guys. So to hopefully enjoy those movies that we were able to watch the videos. Today is episode 6. What is heat? So in this video, before we watch the video, we are going to make a prediction of what we're going to see. So here you can see in this video, right, we have someone that is lighting a candle, right? We know that candle is heat. And we also have a metal rod. You can see their metal rod down there. And then we have some toothpicks that are stuck onto the metal rod with some wax. And they're going to hold this rod over the fire of the candle. And you need to make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen to the toothpicks? So in this box, write down your prediction. What do you think is going to happen? You can go ahead and push pause on this video and then push play when you're ready. All right, now let's see what happens and let's see how your prediction is. You are going to also draw right here what happens. It's kind of a really quick video, so definitely watch it a few times. You're going to draw the candle, the flame, the metal rod, and then the toothpicks, and then draw what's happening. All right, so you saw what happened. Draw what happens. Now, I want you to watch the video again. And this time, I want you to pay careful attention to the order that the toothpicks fell off. So let's watch it again. And let's see, how did they fall off and in what order? So, what was the order they fell off? And why do you think they fell off in that order? What do you think is causing them to fall off? And what's happening to the molecules? What's happening to the molecules in the metal rod? What's happening to the molecules in the wax? What's happening to the molecules in the toothpick? So now you're going to create a model of the phenomenon. So you're going to model what is happening. So why are the toothpicks falling off? What's causing them to fall off? And then at the very bottom, you're going to make your prediction, but also use kind of what you've just learned. What is heat? What do you think heat is? This is our last lesson for the week. Have a wonderful holiday break, and we'll finish up this unit after the break. Be safe and have a wonderful Merry Christmas. Bye, guys.